Which of the following coasts of India was worst affected by the 2004 tsunami? Malabar coast तो इधर है Arabian Sea is located on the western coast of India, covering Kerala and part of Karnataka. Since the 2004 tsunami originated in the Indian Ocean near Andaman and Sumatra subduction zone, it primarily impacted India's eastern coast, not western coast. Konkan coast भी western coast पे है. Konkan coast lies on the western part of India, covering Maharashtra and Goa. Like the Malabar coast, this region was not significantly affected by tsunami. कोरोमंडल कोस्ट पे भयंकर तबाही हुई थी. कोरोमंडल कोस्ट विच रन्स फ्रॉम फॉल्स डीवी पॉइंट इन आंध्रा टू कन्याकुमारी in Tamil Nadu was the worst affected region in India during 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. Coastal areas of Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Andhra and part of Orissa suffered massive devastation. Nagapattinam, Tamil Nadu was the most severely impacted district with thousands of fatalities. Northern Sirkar coast, this coast is part of Andhra Pradesh but was not the worst affected region compared to Coromandel coast, though it experienced significant destruction. Tamil Nadu and southern coastal belt before brunt of the tsunami impacted. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami occurred on 26 December 2004, triggered by a 9.1 magnitude earthquake off the coast of Sumatra, Indonesia. It affected 14 countries, killing over 230,000 people worldwide and 10,136 people in India. Tamil Nadu and Puducherry and the Andaman and Nicobar Island were the hardest hit regions in India. The Coromandel coast suffered extensive damage, with Naganipatnam alone reporting over 6,000 deaths. ठीक है. Which of the following coastal areas of India was affected by Hudhud cyclone? तो ये लगभग आंध्र प्रदेश में आया था, आंध्र प्रदेश उड़ीसा. Andhra Pradesh coast cyclone Hudhud struck Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh in October 2014. The storm caused extremely heavy rainfall, winds reaching 185 km per hour, and severe structural damage. It also led the flooding in Odisha. Kerala coast lies in Malabar coast, which is relatively less affected by cyclone due to its geographic positioning. The Arabian Sea does generate cyclone, but they are far fewer in number compared to those from Bay of Bengal. Chennai coast. While Chennai faces frequent cyclones, Hudhud primarily struck Visakhapatnam and surrounding regions in Andhra Pradesh rather than directly affecting Chennai. Bengal coast. The Bengal coast, West Bengal and Bangladesh often experiences power cyclone, जैसे साइक्लोन अम्फान इन 2020. However, cyclone Hudhud made landfall near Visakhapatnam and primarily affected Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. ठीक. Cyclone Hudhud 2004. Cyclone Hudhud was a Category 4 tropical cyclone that formed the Bay of Bengal and made landfall in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh on October 12, 2014. Name Hudhud was given by Oman as part of WMO's cyclone naming system. The cyclone caused widespread destruction in Andhra Pradesh and Odisha, with damage estimated at 21,908 crores. ठीक. Tsunami warning center in India is located in Chennai. While Chennai has a regional weather monitoring station, its official Indian tsunami early warning system चेन्नई में नहीं, हैदराबाद में है. Visakhapatnam is an important coastal city of Andhra Pradesh and has meteorological monitoring facilities, but the tsunami warning system is not located. Hyderabad. The Indian Tsunami Early Warning System is located in Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services, Hyderabad. It was established in July 2005 after the 2004 tsunami disaster to provide real-time tsunami warnings. ठीक. Port Blair in the Andaman Nicobar Island has seismic monitoring station. ITEWC is operated by Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services under Ministry of Earth Sciences. It uses DART, Deep Ocean Assessment and Reporting of Tsunami Systems, tide gauges and seismic data for early warning detection. ITEWC provides tsunami alerts to coastal states within 10 minutes of detecting a potential tsunami generating earthquake. इंडियन मेट्रोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट इज इस्टेब्लिश्ड एट, मतलब पहले तो कोलकाता में हुआ लेकिन अभी तो दिल्ली में है. द इंडियन मेट्रोलॉजिकल वाज इस्टेब्लिश इन 1875 एंड करेक्टली हेडक्वार्टर लोधी रोड, न्यू दिल्ली. नागपुर हैज़ रीजनल मेट्रोलॉजिकल सेंटर. जोधपुर में IMD ऑब्जर्वेटरी है. पुणे इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ ट्रॉपिकल मेट्रोलॉजी विच कंडक्ट रिसर्च ऑन क्लाइमेट मानसून वेदर पैटर्न्स. ठीक. IMD was first headquartered at Kolkata 1875. It was later moved to Shimla 1905, Pune 1928, finally New Delhi 1944 में. IMD is responsible for weather forecasting, cyclone monitoring and earthquake detection in India. मैच करना है. नेचुरल हजार्ड्स. फ्लड्स प्लेन ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश एंड बिहार में आते हैं. अर्थक्वेक हिमालयन फुट हिल जोन में आता है. ड्राफ्ट मिड ईस्टर्न इंडिया में. साइक्लोन झारखंड एंड नॉर्थर्न उड़ीसा. फ्लड प्लेन्स ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, गंगा एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर बेसिन आर हाईली फ्लड प्रोन ड्यू टू मानसून रेन्स एंड हिमालयन ग्लेशियर में. अर्थक्वेक हिमालयन फुट हिल जोन. द इंडियन प्लेट कोलाइड्स विथ यूरेशियन प्लेट मेकिंग हिमालय मोस्ट सिस्मेटिकली एक्टिव रीजन इन इंडिया. ड्राफ्ट मिड ईस्टर्न इंडिया, राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश एंड पार्ट ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ पे frequent drought due to low rainfall and deforestation. Cyclone Jharkhand and North Odisha. Odisha faces the highest number of cyclones in India, especially Bay of Bengal. The frequency of landslide has increased in Himalayas. सही है. There has been large scale mining in the Himalayas. बिल्कुल सही है, दोनों सही है. Himalayas are prone to landslide due to steep slopes, high rainfall and tectonic activity. Man-made activities like deforestation, construction and road building and mining have weakened mountain slopes, increasing landslides. Example 2023 Uttarakhand landslide were linked to hydroelectric dam projects and excessive road construction. 2004 tsunami impact on India. Coromandel coast most affected. Cyclone Hudhud struck Andhra Pradesh. ITEWC India's tsunami warning center in Hyderabad. IMD headquarters in New Delhi. Natural hazards, floods, earthquake, droughts and cyclone in India. Landslides, role of mining and deforestation in Himalayas. Why are cyclone more frequent in coastal areas of Bay of Bengal? ठीक, बे ऑफ बंगाल एरिया में क्यों साइक्लोन इतना फ्रिक्वेंट है? बे ऑफ बंगाल. हाई टेम्परेचर इन द बे ऑफ बंगाल, ये बिल्कुल सही है. द बे ऑफ बंगाल हैज़ वार्म सी सरफेस टेम्परेचर अबाउट 26 डिग्री सेल्सियस विच क्रिएट लो प्रेशर जोन्स लीडिंग टू फ्रिक्वेंट साइक्लोन फॉर्मेशन. अच्छा, देखिए लो प्रेशर ही रहता है जो वो हवा होती है उसके बीच में, तभी साइक्लोन जो है बनता है. वार्मर वाटर प्रोवाइड कंटिन्यूस मॉइस्चर एंड एनर्जी टू सस्टेन साइक्लोनिक सिस्टम. अच्छा, जो गर्म पानी रहता है वो क्या करता है, वो मॉइस्चर प्रोवाइड करता है, एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करता है साइक्लोनिक सिस्टम को ताकि वो बना रहे. जैसे एग्जांपल एम्फान 2020, साइक्लोन फानी 2019, साइक्लोन फैलिन 2013, all formed in the Bay of Bengal due to high sea temperatures. Okay. Water in the Bay of Bengal has chemicals that help in cyclone formation. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Cyclones are not formed due to chemical presence. Rather, they result from heat, moisture and atmospheric instability. Long chain of Andaman, Nicobar, Iceland act as a launching pad for cyclones. While Icelands can influence cyclone path, they do not initiate cyclone formation. The conical shape of Bay of Bengal funnels cyclone north 19. While the shape of Bay of Bengal can guide cyclones, it is not the primary reason. Cyclone in India occur during two peak season कब? प्री मानसून अप्रैल जून, और या तो अप्रैल जून में या पोस्ट मानसून सितंबर दिसंबर में. बे ऑफ बंगाल वर्सेस अरेबियन सी. द बे ऑफ बंगाल प्रोड्यूसेस 4 times more cyclones than Arabian Sea due to higher surface temperature and deeper warm water. अच्छा, deeper warm water. What is the east coast of India more prone to cyclone than the western coast? The east coast is more prone to cyclone than western coast. The east coast of India lies in the zone of northeast trade winds. दोनों सही है. अब नहीं मतलब नहीं, ये दूसरा वाला गलत है। मतलब दोनों सही है लेकिन एक्सप्लेनेशन सही नहीं है। क्योंकि नॉर्थ ईस्ट जो है जोन वो साइक्लोन नहीं वो करता है। ठीक। The east coast of India, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal is more cyclone prone because the Bay of Bengal is warmer, supporting stronger cyclone. Cyclone move westward due to Coriolis force. Coriolis force की वजह से क्या होता है, साइक्लोन वेस्टवर्ड मूव करता है, हिटिंग द ईस्ट कोस्ट फर्स्ट. Lower vertical wind shear in the Bay of Bengal making cyclones sustain longer. Lower vertical wind shear. North-east trade wind do not directly causes cyclone. ठीक है. Why is the Koyna region in Maharashtra likely to become more earthquake prone? The Koyna region of Maharashtra is likely to become more earthquake prone in the future. सही है. Koyna dam is located in old fault plain that may be reactivated due to water level changes in the Koyna region. दोनों सही है. Koyna dam built in 1964 is associated with reservoir induced seismicity. 1967 Koyna Nagar earthquake magnitude 6.5 was triggered by the dam, causing 180 deaths and significant destruction. Scientists warn that water pressure in large reservoirs can trigger fault movements, making the region more seismically active. ठीक है. Which state faces the maximum number of natural disaster? Odisha. Andhra Pradesh experienced cyclones and floods, but Odisha is more affected overall. Odisha faces highest number of natural disaster in India. Cyclone 1999 super cyclone Philin of Fani, flood Mahanadi river flood, drought in western Odisha, tsunami impact Indian Ocean tsunami. Bihar suffers floods and droughts, लेकिन cyclone impact lower है. Gujarat is prone to earthquakes and drought and fewer cyclones than Odisha. Where is the first disaster management training institute of India located? लातूर में है ये. ठीक. हैदराबाद में कौन सा है? सुनामी वार्निंग सिस्टम. बेंगलोर ये आईटी हब है. लातूर फर्स्ट डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट लातूर by CRPF. However, India's first disaster management institute was set up in Nagpur on April 29, 1957. ये देखिए ये ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट है. ठीक. और फर्स्ट डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट कहाँ है? नागपुर में. Which of the following areas does not come under high seismic intensity zone? High seismic intensity zone कौन सा एरिया नहीं आता है? उत्तराखंड आता है 4 और 5 में. ठीक. कर्नाटक प्लेटू ये नहीं आता है, ये सिस्मिक 2 में आता है. लो इंटेंसिटी मीनिंग इट एक्सपीरियंसेस वेरी फ्यू अर्थक्वेक्स. कच्छ आता है जोन 5 में, वन ऑफ द इंडियाज मोस्ट सिस्मिकली एक्टिव एरियाज. ठीक. एग्जांपल 2001 में भुज अर्थक्वेक 7.7 मैग्नीट्यूड से. हाउ मेनी सिस्मिक रिस्क जोन इज इंडिया डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 जोन में डिवाइडेड है. ठीक. जोन 2 लोअर रिस्क जैसे कर्नाटक प्लेटू हो गया, पेनिनसुलर इंडिया हो गया. जोन 3 मॉडरेट रिस्क लक्षद्वीप, पार्ट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, उड़ीसा. जोन 4 दिल्ली, बिहार, सिक्किम, पंजाब, उत्तराखंड. जोन 5 नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया, हिमाचल, जम्मू कश्मीर, कच्छ, अंडमान एंड निकोबार. ठीक. Cyclones are more frequent in the Bay of Bengal due to warm sea temperature. East coast is more prone to cyclone due to Bay of Bengal dynamics. ठीक है. Not northeast trade winds. Koyna Dam in Maharashtra is linked with reservoir induced seismicity. Odisha faces highest number of natural disasters in India. India has 4 seismic zones, zone 2 to 5. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? कौन सा करेक्टली मैच नहीं है? भुज 4 में नहीं है, 5 में है। हैदराबाद 1 में नहीं 2 में है। ठीक, श्रीनगर 5 में है, चेन्नई 3 में है। ठीक, सिटीजन देर भुज जोन 4 इनकरेक्ट है, क्योंकि भुज जो है सिस्मिक जोन 5 में है, विच इज़ हाईएस्ट रिस्क जोन इन इंडिया। 2001 में भुज अर्थक्वेक मैग्नीट्यूड 7.7 कॉस्ट 20,000 डेथ एंड एक्सटेंसिव डिस्ट्रक्शन। हैदराबाद जोन 2 में है, मतलब सिस्मिक जोन 2 ही से शुरू होता है, तो जोन 1 कहाँ से आ जाएगा। इंडिकेटिंग लो सिस्मिक एक्टिविटी, साउथ इंडिया पर्टिकुलरली द डेक्कन प्लेटू इज रिलेटिवली स्टेबल। Srinagar Zone 5. Srinagar is in seismic zone 5 as Jammu Kashmir lies along active tectonic boundaries. India and Eurasian plate collision. 2005 Kashmir earthquake magnitude 7.6 was one of the deadliest, affecting Jammu and Kashmir and Pakistan administrated Kashmir. Chennai Zone 2 falls under seismic zone 2, which is moderate risk zone. Tamil Nadu experiences minor tremors but is not highly earthquake prone. Why has the frequency of floods in North Indian plain increased? The frequency of floods in the North Indian plains has increased over last few decades. There has been a reduction in depth of river value due to the silt deposition. बिल्कुल सही है, दोनों सही है. North India is highly flood prone due to monsoon variability leading to excessive rainfall. Silt deposition in Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra reducing carrying capacity, deforestation and urbanization affecting drainage. ठीक है. 2017 Bihar floods affected 1.71 crores people due to excessive rainfall and river situation. 2020 Assam floods submerged over 30 districts worsened by sediment accumulation in Brahmaputra. Which state in India is the most flood prone? Bihar. Assam क्या है? Assam is highly flood prone due to Brahmaputra river, but Bihar is experience more frequent and widespread flooding. Andhra Pradesh experiences cyclone and coastal flooding, but river flood are not as severe as in Bihar. Bihar faces severe annual flooding due to Ganga, Kosi, Gandak and Bagmati river overflowing. Silt deposition increasing flood intensity. 2021 Bihar floods affected over 80 lakh people. 50% of Bihar's land is flood prone. ठीक है. Which area of Uttar Pradesh is most flood affected? Eastern UP. 48% of flood affected areas are in east, जैसे गोरखपुर, बलिया, आजमगढ़, बहराइच. रिवर क्या है? गंगा, घाघरा, राप्ती, गंडक. मिडिल यूपी मॉडरेट. हाँ ठीक है. ये देखते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट आर करेक्ट? नेचुरल डिजास्टर कॉज मैक्सिमम डैमेज इन डेवलपिंग कंट्री. बिल्कुल सही है. डेवलपिंग नेशंस लैक डिजास्टर प्रिपेयरनेस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड रिसोर्सेज. जैसे 2010 में हैती अर्थक्वेक 7 मैग्नीट्यूड किल्ड ओवर 2 लाख पीपल. भोपाल गैस ट्रेजिडी वाज मैन मेड. बिल्कुल सही है. जो 2-3 दिसंबर 1984 को हुआ था, मिथाइल आइसोसाइनाइड फ्रॉम यूनियन कार्बाइड किल ओवर 3800 पीपल इन इमीडिएटली. कितना? लगभग 15,000 लोग मरे थे. इंडिया इज ए डिजास्टर फ्री कंट्री. नहीं. इंडिया इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डिजास्टर प्रोन कंट्री एक्सपीरियंसिंग फ्लड, साइक्लोन्स, अर्थक्वेक, लैंडस्लाइड एंड ड्राफ्ट. Mangroves receive the impact of cyclone. बिल्कुल सही. Mangrove act as a natural barriers against storm surges. जैसे सुंदरबन reduce the impact of cyclone Amphan 2020. ठीक. अब ये क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. मैच नेचुरल डिजास्टर विद अफेक्टेड रीजन. फ्लड यूपी बिहार, अर्थक्वेक हिमालय, ड्राफ्ट वेस्ट सेंट्रल इंडिया, सुनामी साउथ कोस्ट. बिल्कुल सही है. फ्लड इंडो गंगेटिक प्लेन्स faces severe annual raining. Earthquake Himalayas lie in seismic zone 4 and 5, experiences frequent earthquake. Drought Rajasthan, Maharashtra, MP suffer water scarcity. Tsunami coastal area like Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Odisha are tsunami prone. Flood plains of UP Bihar, earthquake Himalayan zone, drought west and central India, tsunami southern coastal areas. ठीक. Seismic zone in India: Bhuj is zone 5, Hyderabad is zone 2, Chennai is zone 3. Flood in North India increased due to siltation, deforestation, climate change. Most flood prone area: Bihar 50% flood prone. Eastern UP faces most flood, 28% of total flood affected area. Bhopal gas tragedy 1984, one of the India's worst industrial disaster. Mangroves protect against cyclones. Sundarban during Cyclone Amphan 2020. Cyclone Taukte was formed in which ocean? Bay of Bengal generate more cyclone than Arabian Sea, but Cyclone Taukte originated in Arabian Sea. Indian Ocean partially correct, while the Arabian Ocean is part of Indian Ocean. Caspian Sea is a landlocked water body not capable of generating tropical cyclone. Arabian Sea cyclone Taukte formed in the Arabian Sea in May 2021 made landfall in Gujarat in May 17, 2021. It was an extremely severe cyclone form, category 4 का. Wind speed reached 185 km per hour, causing wind speed reaches 185 km per hour, causing heavy damage in Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Diu. IMD named it Taukte, a name suggested by Myanmar, meaning Giko. What is the major factor of formation of tropical cyclone in May? मई में क्यों बनता है साइक्लोन इन बे ऑफ बंगाल? इनकरेक्ट. बे ऑफ बंगाल cyclone occurs frequently. This option does not explain actual formation process of cyclones in May. Western disturbances गलत है. Western disturbances are extratropical cyclone originating from Mediterranean region and primarily impact North India. Rainfall and snowfall in winter. Local temperature variation. Correct answer है. Tropical cyclone form due to high sea level surface temperature above 26 degrees Celsius, which are common in May. Uneven temperature rise near the coast increases low pressure zones, causing cyclone to intensify. ठीक, जो टेम्परेचर ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है उसी की वजह से. प्री मानसून साइक्लोन अप्रैल मई आर ऑफन स्ट्रॉन्गर ड्यू टू हायर हीट एनर्जी अवेलेबिलिटी. एग्जाम्पल Cyclone Amphan May 2020 was the strongest pre-monsoon cyclone in Bay of Bengal. ठीक. Northeast monsoon winds bring winter rainfall October December over Tamil Nadu and do not cause May cyclones. ठीक. 2 cyclone season in India. Pre-monsoon अप्रैल मई जून. साइक्लोन इसमें क्या होता है? साइक्लोन तोकते मई 2021 में, अम्फान मई 2020 में. पोस्ट मानसून अक्टूबर दिसंबर. साइक्लोन ऑक्ची नवंबर 2017. फानी मई 2019. Most tropical cyclone in India originate in Bay of Bengal, but the Arabian Sea has been an increasing trend due to climatic change, warming sea surface temperatures. What is Okchi, which has been in news, मतलब in the news recently? Cyclonic storm that hit India's coast in November 2017. Cyclone Okchi formed over Bay of Bengal from November 21, 2017 and affected Sri Lanka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Lakshadweep. It later moved toward Gujarat and Maharashtra, though it weakened before landfall. Okchi means eye in Bengali, named by Bangladesh. Impact: wind speed 185 km per hour. Over 200 people killed. Fishermen in Kerala and Tamil Nadu were worst affected. A film that won 9, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. साइक्लोन तोकते मई 21 में आया था. 2021 formed in Arabian Sea, hit Gujarat by 185 km per hour. Cyclone तोकते. May cyclone are caused by local temperature variation leading to intense low pressure formation. Cyclone Okchi 2017 impacted Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Lakshadweep and Gujarat, killing over 200 people. Pre-monsoon cyclone April-June are becoming more intense due to rising sea surface temperature. Cyclone names are assigned by the World Meteorological Organization per रीजनल नेमिंग कन्वेंशन। ठीक, तो ये हम लोग का ख़त्म होता है। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।